Meet Jobsite Security from Ring. It starts with the Ring Mobile Security Tower, a 360-degree camera and 12-foot mast, so you can see everything from anywhere with full visibility in panoramic crystal clear 4K. It's powerful, affordable job site protection. Then scale up your security by adding cameras and sensors for complete job site coverage. Monitor your site and see when deliveries, workers, and vendors arrive, all in the Ring app.
Hey, you can just leave it right there.
Perfect.
Prevent incidents before they happen with intelligent deterrents like motion-activated lights, active warnings,
You are currently being recorded.
and a built-in siren. And add Virtual Security Guard for live professional monitoring. Power the Ring Mobile Security Tower your way, solar with battery backup or plug it in. And stay connected with built-in LTE or Wi-Fi. Powerful protection built for wherever work takes you, even off-grid. Ring Job Site Security. Learn more at ring.com.